Heavily obscures the
You can count me as people too. I'm allowed to nominate someone. Excuse me.
What is going on?
I don't know. I don't know. So, I've been sneezing for the past 2 hours now, I guess. Just nonstop for no reason. I feel like there's something in my right nostril and it just is not coming out. The last time I've sneezed like this for this long for not no reason, but like because there was something in my nose is because of allergies or a gnat flew up my nose. It's possible that there's a dead gnat somewhere up my nose because when I was in college I ran into a swarm of gnats and I could feel them buzzing up my nose. And it hurts. It really hurts. It really hurts. Like, I don't feel like I need to sneeze in this nose. It's just right here. Just random. Here we go again, though. The need to sneeze is real. I hate sneezing. I hate it right now. I hate it. Other times I don't care, but I hate it right now. Oh man.
Ai, tissa på mig, fan. Oh fuck, jag pissar på mig.
I said no one has to know what we do.
Oj.
Oh.
Where you been?
got it. Got them drugs while I ride. Got me acting hella thotty, so excited. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, fuck. Thank you. Thank you.
I'm dying, I need you, come
Thank
back, for fuck's sake!
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I stopped at 8.
I've been bought some new flowers. How beautiful are they? I'm hoping these ones won't give me bad allergies like the last ones. Oh yeah, it's proper tickled my nose. I'm absolutely starving. Can't wait to eat this. Smells amazing. Oh no. She's about to head off to work and got this really bad tickle in my nose. Hey. Oh my god, it's coming already. The coffee's hitting different today. There are some certain foods and drinks that like really make me sneeze, like coffee, gravy, strawberry milkshake, tough paste. It's already starting to make my nose run as well. Let's try and moisturise this up a bit. Oh. What is it? Been so been so sneezy today. Ew. Okay, I'm in a rush today, so I need to get ready as quickly as possible. Oh no. Good morning. So I think I might have caught a cold whilst I was on holiday. I just keep sneezing. Ooh, hello. Ew. I think someone's in the house. They're after me. I need to hide. Shh. To be quiet. Shh. Ew. I've just uploaded a fun sneezing scenario to my page, and it would be amazing if you could go check it out. Thank you, love you. Hi guys, so I just wanted to show you a new outfit that I've got. Isn't it pretty? Good morning. Right, let's sort this face out. How to do my makeup today? Never sneeze. Never. Oh, how beautiful are my flowers. Oh, they smell so lovely. I got my hair did. Oh no.
Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females made you just to trick me, trick me, trick me, trick me. 'Cause baby girl, you are so easily pretty. The only reason that I can do tonight is 'cause I know you were invited. The only reason that this dress is can tight is 'cause I thought that you would like it. I'm only gone for the secret of sights. Because I want you to like that. The only reason I can do tonight is because I really like you. And I
Okay. I don't know what to say, but I can't fucking breathe. I'm sneezing, and I can't breathe. My eyes are itchy. My nose is so blocked, it's unreal. Just sneezed about 25 times in a row. Summer is probably the worst time of the year for hay fever, right? But anyone else who suffers from hay fever and can't fucking breathe in the summer, let me know. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh god. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh my god.
I tried to just let them flow.
Oh my god. Oh fuck, not again. Wow. I was just trying to sneeze. I didn't mean to click that. My thumb slips and I was just recording and I was like, I can do it anyway. Once I ran out of allergy medicine and I'm suffering. So, hey everybody, and I sneezed so hard that I bit my tongue.
Do you remember any of the rap?
I don't know about anybody else, but I don't just sneeze once. I sneeze multiple times. I have sneezing attacks, and I've had 3 kids and 3 C-sections, and I don't know if that makes a difference or not, but I don't think it's fair that I should have to wear panty liners every single day. Legs crossed doesn't even help. I just blew my nose, and it's still coming. I'm tired of having to change my underwear all the time. Achoo!
Man.
Salud. Bless you. Salud.
Oh my god. I got it!
Sans avis, sans souci, sans problème. Oui, belle vie.
I will lose my mind.
On est seul.
Yeti. Y a mami le dio también estornudar. Y yo fiéndome de ella, viste, en todo el calmo. Dame 5 segundos.
Coming at you with a little dose of reality. I'm sick, like so unwell, which is so annoying. Being sick sucks. I think I'm just run down, to be honest. But I'm also really emotional. Oh, I'm gonna sneeze. I think I'm emotional because I'm run down and I'm sick. So I live on the couch now in my dressing gown at 3 o'clock on a Saturday. This is really messing up my Melbourne Marathon, half marathon training plans. And I just really hope I feel better soon. So emotional. I just cried my eyes out watching a TikTok video of a dog being rescued. I think it was in Thailand. And yeah, emotions are high. Fever is high. Help.
Don't record me sneezing. I hate sneezing.
Oh, me.
Sneezing disorders hurt.
Cassie.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Oh my god.
Oh, so annoying.
Oh god. Oh. It's an atomic bomb. Jesus.
Oh my god. Yeah. I always got that one straggler, you know?